I'm here in the Cherry Grove area, right on the ocean front, and I saw something over here that's kind of interesting, and I want to share it with you guys. Let's go take a look. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pool. What's special about this pool? It's full of grass and dirt. So, I'm sure at one point there were people walking down these stairs, and sinking into mud. But yeah, this was a pool, presumably to what hotel? This hotel across there? Maybe not, but this isn't something you see every day. Here's the pipe that would send the filtered water back in. It's walkable. I mean, it's compacted. 8 feet deep, so at least we know how much dirt's in this thing. 8 feet of dirt. That's just uncommon, very uncommon, but interesting nonetheless. Again, I'm in the Cherry Grove area, right on the ocean, and it looks like this light also melted. Yeah, melted down. Seen better days. Anyway, that's all I got. So, if you ever want to go for a swim when you're in Cherry Grove, don't come here because you can't.